Here I have ZTE Blade V50, and today I'm going to show you how to wipe cache from this device. So firstly, let's turn it off by holding down power key. And after device turns off completely, you should hold down combination of keys power key plus volume up at the same time like this. After the screen turns on and you can see ZTE logo appeared, release power key and keep holding only volume up, just like this. In the following menu you should use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you should select an option wipe cache partition and select yes, and after you see the message cache wipe complete, select the first option reboot system now, and device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.